Hi, V.
Hi, teacher.
How are you, V?
I am fine.
Wait, I'm so sorry for joining the class because last time we had our class on Tuesday, right? And I thought that would be your permanent schedule, V. And your mom messaged me just now. Okay, so what did you do today, V?
Today, I read book, play with my sister,
Oh,
and
and
I watch TV.
okay. That's great. Did you go somewhere today?
No,
Oh, no, you did not. What about tomorrow?
tomorrow, and
Do you
no,
have any
I go to the
plans?
math class.
Oh, you have math class tomorrow. Okay. So, still a very productive day every day since you're learning new things each time. Okay, so now we'll have okay, so again we have here things to do. Go bowling, take a picture, see a parade, have a picnic, get a haircut, and the last one is buy clothes. So let us now have this one. Okay. Can you tell me, V, what did he do yesterday?
He, he play bowling.
Okay, he went bowling. Okay, he
Play
went.
bowling.
Yes. Since our question has yesterday. What he did yesterday. Okay, so he went bowling, not go. Okay. What about for two? Can you complete the question, V?
What did she do yesterday? She took a picture.
Very good. She took a picture. Three, V.
What did he do yesterday? He saw a parrot.
Well done. Okay, four.
What did she do yesterday? She bought clothes.
Yes, very good. Five.
What did he do yesterday? He got a haircut.
Well done. Last one.
Hmm. What did she do yesterday? She had a picnic.
Okay, well, very good, V. Now, moving on to the next one. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to read and encircle it, V. So when did she, is it get a haircut or have a picnic? Look at the given table above, V, for your reference. Okay, here. What's your answer for one?
When did she get her haircut?
Mm-hmm.
She got her haircut last Wednesday.
Okay, she got a haircut last Wednesday. Very good. What about for two?
When did he? Hmm,
Hmm. What is it?
yeah. When did he see a parrot? He
Mm-hmm.
saw a parrot on Saturday afternoon.
Very good. Three.
When did he have a picnic? He had a picnic last week.
Okay. Last one.
When did she take a picture? She took a picture yesterday.
Great job. Okay, accurate answers, V. Now let us talk about you. When did you get a haircut?
I got a haircut last month.
Oh, just last month. Okay, when did you take a picture?
Hmm. Last Saturday.
Oh, okay. So can you answer in a complete sentence?
I took a picture last Saturday.
When did you have a picnic?
I
Had?
had a picnic hmm, 3 weeks ago.
Oh, 3 months ago. Okay, thank you, V. Now we'll proceed to the grammar animations of Unit 5, Lesson 2. Okay, for a moment, V. Can you tell me what did he do yesterday?
Hmm. He got a haircut.
Very good. That's right. What did he do yesterday?
He saw a parade.
Very good. What did she do yesterday?
She bought clothes.
Yes, that's right. Okay, what did she do yesterday?
She took a picture.
Very good, V. Okay, what did she do yesterday?
She had a picnic.
Well done. Okay, what did he do yesterday?
He he went.
Hmm. We have talked about this one, right? What is it? He went.
He went surfing.
Yes, he went surfing. That's correct, V. Are you not sure of your answer, V? Okay, what did he do yesterday?
He went bowling.
Very good. Okay, what did she do yesterday?
He took a picture.
Very good. Okay, what did he do yesterday?
Hmm. He he play games.
Okay, he used the computer. Yes, we can as well say he played a game because I can see that it's a game right here. Okay, what did she do yesterday?
She called phone. He called. She called me with mm, with with your friend.
Okay, she talked on the phone, okay, or she phoned her friends. Okay, she talked on the phone or she phoned her friends. Now, can you unscramble to complete the sentence here, V?
When did he see a parade?
Okay, yes, very good. When did he see a parade?
He saw on he saw a parade on Saturday.
Very good. Okay, what about here?
When did he go skiing?
Very good, V. Okay,
He went skiing last month.
very good. Correct, V. Next one.
When did he get a haircut?
Very good. Okay, when did he get the haircut?
He got a haircut on Wednesday afternoon.
Very good. Wednesday afternoon. Okay, now I want you to read and choose if it's grammatically correct or incorrect. If it is incorrect, of course, you have to fix the sentence. Now, the first one, when do she had a picnic?
It's cross.
Okay, what makes this one incorrect? V, can you underline it? Mhm. Okay, just that? Just that? Oh, okay. Now it's these words, V. Okay, so when did she have a picnic? Okay, because earlier we have here do. Okay, and we can't use do here because it's not a present simple question. Okay, it's a present, it's a simple past already. Okay, now next one. She have the picnic last week. What
Yeah.
makes it incorrect? Okay, just okay. Yes, she had a picnic last week. Very good. Okay, what about in here? When did he buy his clothes? Mm, it should be okay. When did he just buy? Okay, very good. Next one, V. He bought clothes yesterday. Okay, yes, there you have it. Next one. When she took a picture.
Eat crab.
Okay,
Here. Here.
it
Eat
should be
when did she took a picture?
very
Yeah.
good. Okay, yes, it will be take a picture because we have here did. Okay, when did she take a picture? Not took a picture anymore. Next one.
She took a picture at Friday Eve. Correct.
Oh,
Yeah.
it should be. Oh, yes, very good. V, that is correct. It should be on Friday, not at Friday. Okay, great job. What do you want to write? Okay, now next one, we will have this one. Okay, we have here a story about the missing backpack. So let us watch it together, V.
What happened?
I lost my backpack.
I can help you. Let's look for it together. I know. Let's look at our cameras.
First, they bought clothes. Then, they got haircuts.
Next, we bought some French fries.
Look, there it is. It's at the French fry stand.
Emma and Anne run to the French fry stand.
Here you are.
Thank you. That was lucky.
Okay, there you have it. V. Now in here, our value is being helpful. As you can see, they forgot to carry their backpack with them as they go after buying the French fries. But good thing they're able to get that on their camera. So now I want you to encircle true or false. The first one is Emma and Anne were at the zoo.
It first.
Where were they?
We were at they saw a parry.
Yes. Okay, yes, that's correct. Anne lost her backpack.
Itu.
They used a camera to find the backpack.
Itu.
They ate ice cream.
It's first.
What did they
They
eat? What did they eat?
They ate French fries.
Okay, yes, very good. They ate French fries. Thank you. Now let us have a singing activity with a title, What Happened? Okay, let us sing this one, V.
Page 49. See. Sing. What happened?
What happened? What happened?
I lost,
lost
my
my
backpack. I lost my backpack.
What happened? What
What
happened?
happened?
I
lost
lost my
my
backpack. I lost my backpack. I looked over there and over there, but I can't find it anywhere. I looked over there and over there, but I can't find my backpack.
Next one, camera.
What happened? What happened?
I lost my camera. I lost my camera.
What happened? What happened?
I lost my camera. I lost my camera. I looked over there and over there, but I can't find it anywhere. I looked over there and over there, but I can't find my camera.
Go.
What happened? What happened?
I lost my coat. I lost my coat.
What happened? What happened?
I lost my coat. I lost my coat. I looked over there and over there, but I can't find it anywhere. I looked over there and over there, but I can't find my coat.
Okay, that ends the singing activity, V. Thank you so much for singing it with me, V. Now let us have this one. In here, all you have to do is to number it 1, 2, 3, 4 in order to make a story.
Yeah, one is
Yes.
I lost my skateboard. Let's look for it together. Number 2 is first we work on a project. 3 is night we saw a parrot. 4 is here you are. Thank you. That's so
Oh.
lucky.
Okay, yes, well done, V. That's correct. All accurate answers, V. So let us now proceed to another one. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to fill in at the blanks, V. We have here the letters.
Number 2. I lost
Mhm.
I lost my backpack.
That was so quick. I lost my backpack.
First, we took a picture. Yeah.
Okay, yes, very good. That's correct, V. Now, let us proceed to this one. Okay, what happened? I lost my helmet. Now, what about for two? What?
What happened? I lost my sunglasses.
Very good. 3V.
What happened? I lost my
Can you see it?
gloves.
Okay, yes,
Glove.
gloves. Very good. Gloves. 4.
What happened? I lost my watch.
Very good. Okay, let us talk about you, V. What about you? What did you lose? What did you lose, V?
No.
You did not lose anything?
Yes, 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 yes.
Ooh, okay. So can you tell me what did you do last month?
Last month, I go to the.
I went.
I went to the grandparents' house.
Okay, you went to your grandparents' house. What did your friend help you with last week? Did you see your friend last week?
No.
Oh no. Okay, can you tell me what did your sister help you with last week?
My sister helped me homework.
Oh, what homework, V? Math homework?
Math homework and English homework.
Oh, okay, I see. So you have a lot of homework. What about today? Do you have a homework?
Yes, but I have finished.
Oh, but you're done. Okay, so after this, are you going to sleep?
Yes, 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 yes.
Are you sleepy?
No, 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 no.
Oh no, not yet. Okay, now let us have this one first. We have here dinosaurs. Do you know the dinosaurs A to Z, V?
The dinosaur. I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. And that is fine, V. Wait, let me see the video first. Okay, so in here, V, I want you to watch and answer this.
Kira?
What did you do last weekend? Did you go to a museum? Museums are fun, and you can see many things, like dinosaurs. This is a Tyrannosaurus rex. It had sharp teeth, a long tail, and very big claws. What did the Tyrannosaurus rex eat? It ate smaller dinosaurs. This is the iguanodon. It had a long neck, a long tail, and big claws too. What did the iguanodon eat? It didn't eat dinosaurs. It ate plants. All dinosaurs looked different. Some had long, sharp claws. Some were very big with long tails. And some had wings and feathers like birds. What's your favorite dinosaur?
Okay, now let us check your answers. And you got it all correctly. V, as always, very good.
Teacher.
Yes?
What is class? Class.
What?
What is class?
Crab?
Class. No, class. C.
Claws?
L-E. Yes, yes, yes.
Claws? Okay. These, V, wait, let me show it to you so you'll understand it better. Oh, let me translate it. No, not cross. It's claws.
Móng vuốt.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but don't worry, V. We'll talk about that next meeting. Okay, now I have to leave, V, because I have another class to attend to. Sorry, goodbye, V.
Bye.
Take care. Good night, V.
Bye.